Imagine you're building an online store. You found the perfect products, a great domain name, and a sleek website design. But then, you stumble upon a competitor selling the exact same products at lower prices. How did they do it? The answer might be Spocket. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of Spocket and learn how to stop it from stealing your thunder. Spocket is a dropshipping platform that connects online retailers with suppliers. It simplifies the process of finding and selling products without having to hold inventory. But for many online store owners, Spocket can be a double-edged sword. While it offers convenience, it can also lead to intense competition. Strategies to outmaneuver Spocket. 1. Unique product selection. While Spocket offers a wide range of products, it's important to differentiate yourself. Look for niche products or customize existing ones. This can make your store stand out and reduce competition. 2. Superior customer service. Spocket's focus is on product sourcing and fulfillment. This means you have an opportunity to shine in customer service. Provide excellent support, fast shipping, and personalized experiences. Happy customers are less likely to switch to competitors. 3. Branding and storytelling. Create a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Tell a compelling story about your products and your business. This can build loyalty and make your store more memorable than those relying solely on Spocket. 4. Content marketing and SEO. Invest in content marketing to attract organic traffic. Create high-quality blog posts, product reviews, and social media content. Optimize your website for search engines to improve visibility and drive more visitors. 5. Leverage social proof. Social proof can be a powerful tool. Encourage customer reviews and testimonials. Display them prominently on your website and social media. Positive feedback can instill trust and confidence in potential customers. Additional tips. 6. Build relationships with suppliers. If possible, establish direct relationships with suppliers. This can give you more control over pricing, quality, and exclusivity. It can also help you avoid the middleman fees associated with Spocket. 7. Diversify your product sources. Don't rely solely on Spocket for your product sourcing. Explore other options like AliExpress, Oberlo, or direct manufacturers. This will reduce your dependence on a single platform and give you more flexibility. 8. Monitor competitors closely. Keep an eye on your competitors, especially those using Spocket. Analyze their pricing strategies, marketing tactics, and customer feedback. This information can help you identify areas where you can improve. Spocket can be a valuable tool for online store owners, but it's essential to use it strategically. By focusing on unique products, exceptional customer service, strong branding, and effective marketing, you can outmaneuver Spocket and build a successful online business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.